In this video, we're going to demonstrate the setup and use of UP3 printer. First, unbox the printer and place it on a flat, stable, and horizontal surface. Place the glass plate on the build platform and secure it with 4 metal clips. Then, connect the power cable to the printer and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Then, connect the USB cable to the printer. Build the enclosure and place it over the printer. Place the spool holder on the top of the enclosure. Now connect the other end of the USB cable to a computer. Finally, gather the tools as illustrated. You are now ready to initialize the motors. Switch on the power of the printer by pushing the switch on the top of the printer. Open UP Studio and click on the UP icon. Click on the Initialize Printer icon and the motors will initialize for 30 seconds. Once it is finished, the LED indicator on the top of the printer will turn green. Now you need to load the filament into the printing head. Click the Maintenance icon in UP Studio. In the Material box and next to Type, select S90 Custom from the drop-down menu. Then click Extrude and the printer will begin heating up. After hearing a beep sound, insert and push the filament into the opening at the top of the printing head until you feel it being grabbed. Filament squeezed out of the nozzle means a successful loading. Clean the nozzle with the mini pliers. Now, heat up the build platform by clicking on the maintenance icon. Next to heat, click the icon displayed. To open your print file, click the Add icon and select Add 3D Object. Open the file you wish to print and change the orientation of the model so that the first layer printed is a flat layer. We're now ready to print a test layer. Click the Print button. For layer thickness, select 0.25 millimeters. For infill, select 20%. And for quality, select fast. For nozzle offset, select 0.0. Leave unsolid model unchecked and check no raft and no support. Double check that the settings are correct. Click Print to begin printing. Next, apply a thin layer of glue onto the glass plate using the glue stick. If there's any residue filament on the nozzle exterior, clean it off using the mini pliers. A small window stating the print time and material needed will pop up. Click OK. It typically takes approximately 1.5 to 2.5 hours to fully print a foot orthotic. Inspect the first printed layer to ensure the nozzle height is correct as instructed in the user manual. When the printing completes, unclip the metal clips and carefully remove the glass plate. Be careful, it's hot. Use the scraper tool to detach the foot orthotic. Now you are ready to print your own foot orthotic.